Caught up in a perfect moment, I cling to it, cause I don't ever want to let it go. And time reached out and stole it, and all things I held it, cause believe me, I have never known anything as beautiful as your hand on my back. Hold me tight like you won't let me go, and I forget what I like, but what we've got is all we need, so hold me close, we can let it show. Now that it's over, we're sober from the magic on the night and the music on the stereo. But together we were supernova, we were lighting up the heavens, and believe me, I have never known anything as beautiful as your cheek to my cheek and our fingers interlocked together. Seconds stretched into weeks and our lips were the sun. Our breathing was the stormy weather. Although I'll never forget it, I'm leaving soon, and I have to let it go. But it was perfect until I feel it again. But believe me, I have never known anything as beautiful as the sweetness of your soul and the butterflies that soared inside me. Living there in the moment as a dream came true. Never get so far, the stars that guide me. Nothing is as beautiful as your hand on my back. Hold me tight like you won't let me go. And I forget what I like, but what we've got is all we need. So hold me close and we can let it show. And nothing is as beautiful as your cheek to my cheek and our fingers interlocked together. When seconds stretched into weeks and our lips were the sun, and our breathing was the stormy weather. Stormy weather. Oh, oh, oh.